welcome to Curly Fitness 1980 and welcome to another video. So before I go into the detox announcement, I want to take the moment to wish every single one of you guys a happy new year. And I know it's like second weeks of January, I'm still saying that, but really I'm still gonna say happy new year until I get to February. How about that? So happy new year, guys. And the second thing I want to say to every single one of you guys who's watching this video, thank you so much. Thank you. And also for every one of you who subscribe, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm telling you, this year is gonna be a year of getting ready or getting our bodies ready, getting everything that we need to do for the 2018 as far as our weight loss journey on track. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now, and also hit the notification box so that way whenever I have my video up and running, you guys get to know them first. And also share my video with your friends and family member, especially if you are a mom. Definitely share my journey with your friends, you know, and that way we all can be in this journey together, because let me tell you, 2018, it's on. So with that being said, we are starting the 7-day detox. And I did post it on Instagram and also on the Curly Fitness page that I was doing the detox. And I have, is it 4, 5 or 6 people between IG and Facebook that says, oh my gosh, I want to do this cleanse with you. And I was very flattered to see that some people wants to do this cleanse with me. However, the detox is a little bit delayed because I was sick. The twins are sick. My husband is sick. So I didn't want to do any cleanse while I was sick. So I'm now getting better. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the most important things about the cleanse. So the cleanse, detox, whatever you want to call it. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna say detox because we're gonna detox our body. The most important things about the detox I'm gonna show you guys is the main ingredient on the and also, if you haven't followed me on my social media, guys, please, I do have an IG and I do have the Curly Fitness page where I will be doing a few live video on there every now and then. And that way, whatever update that I'm going to have is going to be on my Facebook page, Instagram, and so on and so forth. So definitely, guys, I will put the link down below, and also it's the same name as my channel. It's Curly Fitness 1980. So the same name for my IG and the Curly page is the same name for the IG and the Curly page. It's Curly Fitness 1980. So definitely should be easy for you guys to find, but I will put the link down below as well. Now, number one thing that you're gonna need a cleanse. Honestly, it doesn't matter what kind of cleanse you get. They have, Whole Foods have a 7-day cleanse. You can get them at Vitamin Shop, Vitamin World, or GMC on Amazon. I got mine on Amazon, especially if you have Amazon Prime. You get them in 2 days top, I think. So definitely go ahead and get that. You know, you're gonna need that. Now, before we say anything, guys, before I say anything to you guys, please, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse. I'm just, you know, somebody that's very passionate about health and fitness, and I like to share my journey along the way with you guys and whatever I can do to help and inspire you ladies out there, or gentlemen as well. So always make sure that you're in good health condition before you start any kind of cleanse. And also talk to your doctor, do your research before you put anything in your body. For me, it's always very crucial. If I had to put something inside my body, it's important for me to do some research. So therefore, I've done my research on this product, and I know the benefit of doing a detox. I know the benefit of taking this product that I'm about to show you guys. So do your research. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into the items we're gonna be using for the 7-day cleanse. Number one thing is a 7-day cleanse, which is mine is by Purely Inspired. Is 100% pure 7-day cleanse. It's this one here. So, and all the instruction in the back as well of this. So, you know, day one, they tells you to take 1 capsule, and then it's at bedtime. So you take this only when you're going to sleep, and then when you wake up in the morning, you do your other things, and then this is every day at bedtime. So this is one of the things that we're gonna be using. The second thing that we're gonna be using is yellow duck. Let's see if I can zoom in. Can you guys see it? Yellow duck. Yellow duck. Okay, so now if you're not familiar with this product, I suggested you go ahead and Google it, do your research on it. Now, what yellow duck, what it is, it's purifying the blood, clean the blood, and everything else that the blood need. Now, the third thing you need, I don't have it with me. I have it in the house somewhere, and I can't find it anywhere for right now. I have to make sure that if I don't have it, I have to go at Whole Foods and get it. You're gonna need a milk thistle. Milk thistle comes in all kind of form. It comes in a liquid, it comes in a powder form. The one that I have is a powder form. I cannot find it in the house. Like I said, I have to look for it before I start the cleanse on Sunday. So now you're gonna need also milk thistle. Now, if you go to Whole Foods actually have the yellow duck with the milk thistle mixed together. So it's okay to do the combo together, but because I already have the milk thistle, I didn't want to do the combo. So I'm gonna do the milk thistle and the milk yellow duck together. But then again, they have them at Whole Foods combined together. The bottle looks just like that. So those are the three things you're gonna need. Now, when you're doing a cleanse, please guys, keep in mind you want to stay faithful with this cleanse. And also, I hope you guys are already taking your multivitamins and your vitamin C. The reason that you want to make sure that you take your vitamin C only because you're not doing a lot of heavy eating. Like you're not doing solid, you're not doing carbs, you're not doing a lot of protein and stuff like that. So the whole purpose of this cleanse is to detox, purifying the body. So there's going to be no meat, none of that. Now, if you don't have a multivitamin, I suggested I hope you are taking your multivitamins, and if you haven't, I really suggested you do that, and also your vitamin C. So the one that I have my Everyday Woman multi, which I got it from Whole Foods, and then my everyday vitamin C, to help build your immune system. So you're gonna need that as well. So if you haven't have one yet, I suggested these are things you should be taking anyway every day. But if you never take anything like that, please go ahead and do that, because during the 7-day cleanse, what we're gonna be eating is gonna be fruit and vegetable. That's it. So day 1, day 2, you're gonna for breakfast, lunch, dinner, fruit and vegetable. So you can make it in a juice, you can chop it and eat it however you want to do it. And then day 3, 4, you're gonna have a bowl of salad in the evening as your last meal. So I will on Thursday when I have the video running, I will be Thursday or Friday when I have the video up and running, I will go into details. I will show you guys. And also to make your juice, you can use, if you don't have a juicer, don't go crazy and go buy a juicer. You can use I have a magic is it the magic bullet? I think, yeah, the magic bullet. I have that. If you have a blender, you can have that, and then you pull everything in. The next video, like I said, I will go into detail everything I buy and when we gonna have this cleanse live. So I mean when we start the cleanse. So, and again, do this cleanse with me. Please let me know down below you're gonna do the cleanse with me, so that way we can go ahead and check each other's result. I'm not big on getting on the scale. I know I did a video a while ago. Somebody said, well, you know, how do we know? You know if you lose weight. I'm not doing this cleanse to lose weight, me personally. I'm doing it to detox my body, to pure everything that I did in 2017. I want to clean my body. You should be detoxing at least 3 times a year, where you give your body a break for at least 7 to 10 days, where you're not eating anything else but fruit and vegetable, just to purify your body. Now, because I've done the 10-day cleanse before, now I'm only doing the 7-day cleanse. I think you can take 7 days to actually do something good for your body. You know, I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. You do everything in life, you gotta sacrifice 7 days to taking care of your body, especially if you know your life and health is depend on it, right? So I hope so. So that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and get all these things ready for the cleanse. I will follow up with you guys Sunday with everything, and then if you want to do the cleanse with me, let me know down below, and then that way we can have fun doing it together. As always, guys, please be you, be fit, be blessed. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you on Sunday. With that being said, go ahead and get your shopping list ready and get the most important things, because the next video is gonna be, you know, my fruit and vegetable, which pretty much has no limit of, you know, your fruit and vegetable, whatever you like. But I will show you guys exactly what I'm gonna be eating if you wanna eat exactly what I eat. So you can do banana, you can do me personally, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna do a lot of greens. I'm gonna do a lot of greens. So the greens that I will be buying are cucumber, spinach, kales. I will be doing green apple. Those are gonna be my main 4 things I'm gonna be using. And ginger. I will put a little bit of ginger in there as well. So those are probably my 5 main things, just because I want to focus getting all the greens in my body. So I will probably do more greens. So if I change my mind, I'll let you guys know. But kales, spinach, green apple, ginger is gonna be most of the things that I will be getting. So this video is gonna go live on Sunday. Definitely get a friend, get your mom, dad, everybody, your family. Let's just get this cleanse going to detox your body. And let me tell you, you will feel so much better. I was reading an article where some people actually ended up losing anywhere from 10 to 12 pounds in 1 week. I know that's crazy when you think about it, because you're not eating anything crazy like fish, meat, or anything like that. So your body have a time to just go back and reset and start again. Now, after the cleanse, don't go crazy and eat everything else. Then what's the purpose of doing a cleanse? So this is the reason why right after the cleanse, I'm gonna follow it by intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the best way. And I'm not like, when I did the video, when I post that video in Instagram, people were commenting, was saying this is so true. They've lost so many, you know, pounds doing intermittent fasting. So intermittent fasting, if you don't know what that is 3 meals a day. There are so many different type of intermittent fasting. You can fast for 8 hours, 12 hours, 16, 24 hours. I'm gonna end up doing the 3 meals a day, which is 12, 4, and 9 o'clock. So that those are my meals during the day. And let me tell you, your life will change. So I do have a video on my channel talking about intermittent fasting. I will put that link down below to give you guys kind of like an example what is intermittent fasting looks like, as far as your meal plan and everything else. I will put that on the description box as well. Other than that, guys, please be you, be fit, be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Go get those supplies, and I'll see you guys on Sunday when we start this cleanse. And again, if you want to do the cleanse, let me know, so that way and also take pictures. Take before pictures when you start the cleanse and after you're done with the cleanse. And please, guys, no cheating, no cheating. Focus on that cleanse. Focus. Think about it. You spend a whole year, or some of you guys never detoxed before, so that is a good way to focus on your health. Do something that's going to be good for your body, because remember, your liver is the biggest organ in your body. Just remember that itself. And then your blood needs to be detoxing, and everything that we put in our body, it's so bad for us for the most part, because everything has preservative, you name it. So I don't want to keep going on and on, but you get the picture, right? Yes, I know you do. So go ahead and focus on that. Get motivated. If you need me, I'm right here. Just comment below. I comment below. I reply to almost everybody that ever leave me a comment, good or bad. I'm telling you, leave me a comment below and follow me on my social media, and I will keep you motivated, and let's get fit together for 2018.